Now, we all know iPhone 15 launch is expected in a few months' time, but in some major news, Apple may be launching its first rollable iPhone in a couple of years. Apple has been awarded the patent for a smartphone with a rollable display. Now, according to Patently Apple, the patent was filed in November 2022 and published on Thursday, describes an electronic device with a display that may be moved between an unrolled state in which the display is plain and a rolled state in which a rollable portion of the display is rolled up for storage. Now, this might be an upgrade from the Apple's foldable iPhone that was speculated to most likely launch this 2023. Remember that Apple was awarded a patent for a foldable phone back in 2017. This spurred numerous rumors about the company developing a foldable phone which will use a silver nanowire touch solution for the display, which should give it an advantage over other foldable phones. Now, back to the foldable iPhone, the patent measures using a locally thinned glass layer in the rollable portion, as well as a display configured in such a way that the compressive stress in the outwardly facing glass surface may help prevent damage to the display where the display is bent. While the patent talks about electronic device with displays in general, it also specifically mentions portable devices such as smartphones. We know rollable displays are very much possible. LG has been on the forefront of this niche with the rollable OLED TV as well as a rollable phone that came very close to launching but ultimately never saw the light of day. Motorola also showcased a few rollable phone concepts as well as Oppo, but neither company ever launched such a phone to the wide audience. Now, Apple, however, is typically far more cautious when introducing such technologies into a widely available product. The fact that the company has a patent for devices with rollable displays at least gives hope that a rollable phone or iPad may happen soonest in the future. I'll be putting relevant link in my description below, so guys, you can read for yourself and do let me know what you think about this new development. And one more thing, guys, please just hit the damn like button in it. Alright, cheers guys.